Okay, I'm back, YouTubers. Here we go. We're going to install the freshly made bumper mounts that are copies of the originals, and we're going to get rid of this tube bumper. Don't care for it. Hangs way too low. And here's a little shot of the copy of the original. Let's get that over here, a little bit better contrast. So I made 2 of those. Okay. We're going to mount a Draw-Tite 750-31. And the reason being I like those is because they tuck up nice and tight and they're built incredible as far as I'm concerned. So here's what it looks like on the other turbo truck. Of course I got to do the wiring on this, but you can see how nice and tight that fits underneath there. No trimming. Some of the curts don't fit that well, I don't think, but this might help some of you out there. So exact duplicate bumper is going to go on an exact duplicate truck. So let's see how this goes. See you in a bit.